Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north from Highgate towards Port Maria on the B2 Highgate access road. On the left is Dorset Estate and Country Club, also called Whitehall Scheme. The B2 Highgate access road ends here, and going right will take you to Whitehall, Anata Bay, Portland, as well as to Kingston. Going left will take you to Port Maria, Ocho Rios, Runaway Bay, as well as to Montego Bay and Negril. Turning towards Port Maria. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.